The LaserRange-Master Gi4 Mini impresses with its extremely compact design, fitting easily into any toolbox, shirt pocket, or trouser pocket. Practical, switchable measuring points allow for measurements to be taken from either the front or rear edge of the device. Using precision laser technology, the LaserRange-Master Gi4 Mini accurately measures lengths, areas, and volumes with point-to-point precision. The USB-C charging port enables quick and convenient recharging during everyday work. Green laser technology offers outstanding visibility for high-precision tasks. The LaserRange-Master Gi4 Mini is the ideal tool for accurately determining room dimensions and calculating material quantities. Its min-max function allows for the easy identification of minimum and maximum measured values. With a generous measuring range of 0.05 to 40 meters, it is perfectly suited for a wide range of indoor applications. LaserRange-Master Gi4 Mini. Compact, precise, reliable.